Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I made it to match the style done in these ones, and I think I did a pretty darn good job with that. Plus I did make it a little bit unique to itself. And this design was going to be a little bit more intricate and kind of compact because these are three relatively long words compared to these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relatively short words. Because this design says I love you, like whoa, and this one says Noelle, Robyn, and Calliope. So let's get to how these designs say that. So here's our first word, which is Noelle, and starting at the bottom of the word circle, we have this completed circle, this shape here, which is in this row. And that completed circle has one line ending on it. So that line there ends on it. So like that one there, making it in the one line column. So that's the N. And then our O is a little guy, and vowels are always these little guys, and an O can be attached like a bead on a string if it's on a consonant. So this would be the O on the L because this brown one is the O. So the O on the N, not the L. This is the double L here. I was looking at the L. Anyway, N-O, and then we have an E on the line of the word circle, and then we have two L's, and we can stack double letters. So instead of doing two different L circles, we can just do one double L circle. 1, 2, 3 dots makes it an L. And then we have the E. Again, an E can be centered inside a consonant, so this red one. But if it's by itself, it is like a bead on a string, except on the word circle. So this blue one is the word circle, where these black ones are the letter stem. So that's the difference between an E and an O. So here's an E, just like that E. So N-O-E-double-L-E, that's Noelle. Robyn's name is in here. This line and this line is the only, these are the only two potentially removable lines in this whole design, which is an extra sort of sentence circle I put around Robyn's name, just to kind of help the design kind of flow together and get that little to big to little look that I did in all of those, which I think looks really nice on a forearm tattoo. Anyway, here's our first letter of the word, which starts with a shallow divot, like that, with 1, 2, 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 dots, 3 dots. O, like a bead on a string. Then we have this deep divot, B, right there. And then a Y has 2 dots, 1, 2 dots on the Y, which is this guy on the line here. This here is actually coming from the P here in Calliope. So this is just the 2 line modifiers coming from the P. And this here is the N with 1 line on it here. So these make the N's. So that would be Robyn. And then we have Calliope starting at the bottom. This is kind of tricky to tell where the dots line up, but we can tell there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots in this chain, which means one letter's going to have 4, one letter's going to have 3. And if we look at the middle 2 dots, this one is closer there, and this one is closer there. So these 4 go here, making it a C, and these 3 go here, making it a double L. So C, A, double L, I, line going inwards, O inside the word circle, that P we talked about with it. It's 2 line modifiers, and then an E, just like these E's here. So that would be that design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.